Welcome back to another tutorial by MEA Technologies. We've got something a little bit different for you today. Just gotten this battery out, trying to set it up and fit it off. You can see here on the negative side I can screw that in pretty easily. Not a problem. But on the positive side, you get a little bit in and then it gets stuck. So it's telling me the one or two things is that there's either some gunk in there or the threads aren't done properly. So we can take a quick look inside. I can already see there's a whole bunch of black gunk, black goo, whereas the negative side is actually clean. So a couple of different things you can do. I've got over here a tap and die set. So just use this tap, which is a M6 by 1 size. We can also verify that's the correct size with the actual die itself. So here I've got a M6-1 and I've got the the bolt, and if I thread that in there, goes in pretty smoothly, doesn't snag or anything. And that tells me that that's the size that the hole needs to be. So I can get the tap. It's just secured in here just by twisting this handle. And just go pretty easily, nice and smooth. Just trying to make sure we get it straight to fit into the grooves. You can see here, going pretty smoothly. Just keep going until we hit that snag. And right about here. So here we're going to go slowly, go down, and you can feel it grinding a little bit. So it's either, probably both things really. There's some goo stuck in there, and that's probably what stopped the threads themselves being done properly. You can hear that noise. It's not really meant to make that noise. Probably should be using some sort of lubricant, but because it's a battery, I want to avoid putting anything in there that shouldn't be. The main issue is going to be now cleaning up the terminal holes. And you can see there, actually, I don't know if that will focus, how much gunk there is on there. Some of that is metal shavings, a lot of that is just some brown gunk. Alright, so it's been about a good 5 minutes, just me going back and forth really slowly. So we've bottomed it out. I'm pretty sure the thread should be all nice, clean and cut. You see there, not much really else is coming out of there. We can try the bolt again. Oh, that's a lot better. Yep, so we can get all the way down. Don't really need to go all the way, but it does help. So we'll be putting the washer and lock on there as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or comments. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. See ya.